Hi, in this video, I'm gonna show you indexing your website with Google Indexing API using Python. No code required because we will prepare for you a program, program. You will only start this program after your site is uh, include Google search. Firstly, you need go to Google Cloud Service. After that, you click the console. You need to create a new project. You will write any name, create. After select project, okay. After that, you will go to library, index. You will enable the indexing API. After that, you go to the service account. Service account. Create a new service account. Indexing API. You have to save this mail address. Select a role owner. Continue. Done. After that, you have to click Manage Case. Add key, new key, JSON file. Great. Your JSON file is saved to desktop. Yes. We will go to Search Console. You need to you imagine it's your site. Okay, go to setting, users and permissions, add user, paste, owner, add. Everything is okay. You have to send your JSON file to me. After that, I will prepare for you a program, and if you want a connection with AnyDesk, or I will send you this program via email. Okay, I will prepare the program after continue the video. I prepared a program. You don't have any Python program. This program exe includes all Python uh, when very accurate. Okay, you need to two file. This file for two, you cut this file, paste to C. Okay. Yes. In here. This this CSV file is for the link. Your link. Okay. We will go to find uh, links. Okay. you go to your STEMI file. After that, you copy your links, okay? For example, after that, new Excel worksheet, paste, delete this one, delete. We need to only these links, okay? Copy, go to C, paste data under the URL, paste, save, close, yes, close, yeah. Start the program. Program automatically sent to Google all links, okay. This program have 200 link limit per day. After 24 hours you have to start main eggs again, okay. I'm gonna show you results. $14,500 result. Thank you for watching my video. If you want buy this program, please contact me. If you want, I will prepare for you all in one, no problem. You will send to me any desk. I will prepare all required in your website. I will prepare. Thank you very much.